Industrial Molds, a creator of plastic injection molds located in Rockford, Illinois, took the call to action in creating medical tooling for COVID test kits. They've worked around the clock to get the molds to market and help reduce the spread of COVID-19.
We build plastic injection mold tooling, so we build the metal tools that make plastic parts. We do automotive, we do medical, consumer products.
Our most recent COVID testing project came to us. One of our customers put all their work on hold to focus primarily and exclusively on this Abbott quick test to get it to market as quickly as possible.
The COVID work happened because we were actually doing the prototype tools for what was an influenza test kit, which wound up being used for the COVID test. So we'd already worked on the prototypes, so now when this large demand happened, we were right in the front line and ready to step up and build molds at a much higher rate than what we normally would have.
Our parts that we're making are internal to the final assembly, so it won't be seen by the end user, but it holds the chemicals that are used for the test.
The original test that they were using for COVID was taking weeks, which obviously means once you got tested, by the time you found out you had COVID, it's too late, you've already infected a bunch of people. This test takes 5 minutes for a positive test and 7 minutes for a negative test. So obviously really stepped up the game so people can get instantly tested.
The first project that we're currently working on is the first 10% to get it to market as quickly as possible. After that, there will be higher cavitational molds built with a little longer lead time, but that'll give them the volume they need to do the whole contact tracing and testing of millions of people a day.
So in the end, they'd like to be able to test everybody weekly. You're going to need millions and millions of tests, which means we need a lot of tools to make all those tests.
When we heard about it, we were really excited. Not only did it give us work to stay open during this time, when a lot of companies had to close due to the safer at home order, but it kind of gave us something to, all of our guys, a little excitement, you know, when you can't go out to eat, you can't go see your friends, but there's something we can come together as a company and our work family and do something better than for just us, but really help the country. To get it done in the compressed time frame, we've definitely had to have guys work more, but also differently. We had a lot of guys who went from first shift to second shift to help keep machines running. Guys definitely worked a little longer. People came in on the weekends, nights, holidays even. Owners have come in to switch parts out. It's been a company-wide project.
So they kind of feel like they're doing their part to, kind of really help out the nation right now. I mean, there's a big demand, not just locally, but nationwide and countrywide, and what we're building will help the entire world.
And when the call came, I'm glad we could step up and really help out.